kitty cats. There's nothing more relaxing than sitting here listening to soundscapes, watching my kitty cats, and drinking my favorite cup of coffee in the morning. I can do that because I finished cleaning the basement the other day, so I don't feel so bad. And now I can just sit here and relax for a little bit. My hair's a mess. I have no makeup on. I'm straight out of bed and I look like a mess. So this is me, guys. Sorry about that. So I'm doing different content. I'm not going to do beading all the time. And I have a reason, okay? I have a valid reason that I think you're going to appreciate. And the reason is that I've developed some horrible back spasms from sitting at my table doing beading for hours on end. So I need to give myself a break. And this goes out to everybody out there who's doing some kind of craft. Don't ever sit at your table or your desk for hours and hours and hours. You need to break it up and do different things. Now, if you're young, it's okay. But when you get to be older, like me, you just can't do that. You cannot do that without running into issues. And I had such bad spasms, I could barely even breathe. But anyway, guys, there is one thing that I need to do today, and I want to show you what I'm going to do next. So part of my morning routine is to log my weight, and I've been doing this for months. So Fitbit, let me pull up my Fitbit. Oh, look at that. I've already done 616 steps. Cool. Okay, weight and add. That was yesterday's. Today is 105.2. Save. Okay. And here are all the weight loggings that I've been doing for weeks and weeks and months and months and months and months and months. February. I want you guys to look at the numbers, okay? January, December 2019, November 2019. Are you guys looking at the numbers? October, September 2019. Keep looking at those numbers. Keep your eyes on the numbers. August, June of last year. Can you guys see that? Look at the numbers. June. Okay. June, May. Can you see that number? And now I'm 5'4", okay? I'm not that tall. I'm probably 5'3" by now because I know I've shrunk. But May 2019, and here is February 2019, and I went up in April to 188 pounds. That is not good, but you know what? Let me go back to today. That goal right there, 120, that was my goal, but I actually exceeded that. So now I'm down to 105.2. 120 was like a goal that I set for myself because it was a reasonable goal, but I never changed it. That's why it says nice job. I reached that goal quite a while ago. I never changed it because I thought, well, I'll just keep going until I feel comfortable. And now I'm in the 105 range. I go up from time to time to 106. See, I was down to 104 in April 12th through 18th. That week I went down to 104, which is too low. But I like to give myself a little bit of, wriggle room, because if I gain a couple of pounds, then I won't freak out so much. But 105 is a pretty comfortable weight for me. 105, 106, somewhere in that range. And I'd like to tell you how I did it one of these days. And it's got nothing to do with any diet. No Beachbody, no Marie Osmond, none of those diets. I do not believe in any of those diets. But I had a method that I discovered on my own, actually, my husband and we jumped on it and we stuck to it, and that's how I reached my goal and beyond. And now I'm pretty happy at that weight. But one of these days I'll have to tell you about it. And it happened when I retired from my full-time government job. I had to do something about my weight because I knew that if I didn't do something about it, it would just get worse. And I panicked, and so I came up with a system. And like I said, I didn't have to pay for any diet or follow any diet in particular. I had to make up my own, okay? It was customized. And I'm not a dietitian, I'm not a nutritionist. But one of these days, if you're interested, I'd like to tell you about it. Let me know in the comments down below, and I will tell you about it one of these days if you're interested. I think it's important that we stay on top of our health as we get older, and just don't let it go, and do something about it. And it's not really that difficult, to be quite honest. It's not that difficult. You just have to know how to do it. So anyway, let me know. All right, guys. Well, I still don't have my bargain bead box subscription yet. I thought I did the other day when I showed you guys the package, but it was actually bead box bargains. I had a dyslexic moment and I thought it was bargain bead box, but it wasn't. So I don't have my April shipment yet, and I'm going crazy. I've emailed them, and it may be lost. I may not get it after all, and that would be sad because then I won't be able to show you any finished pieces. But anyway, all right, guys. Well, if it's not bargain bead box, I'll show you something else real soon. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye.